Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how you can turn a Shopify product into a Pinterest post and then save the data to Google Sheets. So yeah, you need three modules in make.com. The first one is Shopify Watch Products, the second one is Pinterest, create a pin, and the third one is Google Sheets add a row. So what is Shopify Watch Products do? So if you set up this make automation and it's the first time you're using Shopify and make.com, you just have to add a connection to your Shopify account. You just need to log in and allow make.com to access your Shopify account. And for now, that's it. The second step is you again need to allow make.com to access your Pinterest account. And then we decide that we want as the media source, we want an image URL, and the image URL comes from the Shopify data, as you can see here, because it pulsates. And then you just choose image src, which is the image URL of your product. Then you can choose which board you want to post it to in Pinterest. I just chose this one. Then you can give it a title, a description, and yeah, you also could add a link whatsoever. Then we can click on OK. And the third part is we want to add this data to Google Sheets. Again, just add the Google Sheets add a row. If it's your first time using Google Sheets with make.com, you again have to set up the connection, and then you can just connect it to your Drive account and choose to which spreadsheet you want to save the data to, and also what data you want to save. So in our case, we just want to save the product ID and the title of the product and at what time, what date we created the Pinterest post about this product. Yeah, let's see it in action. So just so you see I don't cheat, at the moment on this Pinterest board, there is no product from this company. If you now click on run once, it takes a second or two, and now it runs through Shopify. It creates a pin and it adds the row. If we now go back on the Pinterest board and we refresh this board, the product will show up with a nice picture. The picture we took from Shopify, as you can see here, there it is, nice product with the description from Shopify, and yeah, very lovely. And another nice thing is, as you can see, the product ID, the product name, and the creation date is added to our Google Sheets, which is quite useful. So we do know which products we already posted and which we didn't, and also the date we posted them. So yeah, I hope this video helped you. If you do not want to set it up on your own, I put a link to a make.com blueprint in the video description, so you can just download it and then set it up based on the blueprint. This link also comes with some descriptions, information about the connections you need to create. Thank you so much. Bye.